Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to tutorial number 2 of the one and done of the Pat McGrath Passion Fleur. Ooh, she's dusty. So the last one I did the Plum Nocturne, and I think today I'm gonna go in with the fire. What is this? Rose Fireglow. Don't know why that reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury Rose Fireglow quad. I think, and I'm gonna do for blush the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, which is absolutely beautiful, because I think the Rose Fire Glow is a little bit more warm, so I kind of want to add a little bit more of that warm to it as well. But I also forgot I have the Love Glow Cheek palette also. Oh, so this is a Blush and Glow. Well, I guess they're both. I mean, this is so nostalgic. Oh, the 90s. You kids don't even know how good we had it in the 90s. But obviously more of a cooler tone, definitely more warm. I have so many, yeah, I have citrus. I have too much, but not enough. So without further ado, let me go and get my eyes prepped and we'll get into this. I think we can do a nice wing. We'll see. All right. Eyes are prepped with the, almost said Charlotte Tilbury Pro Filter Flawless Foundation. Wow. Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Flawless Eyeshadow Primer. And I am actually going to go into Natasha Denona's Bloom first. Actually, you know what? This is what we're going to do. We're going to go into the Balm Forbidden Fleur. And I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and use that out here. Is there a difference between a balm and a cream? Yes, there is. A balm has oil and a cream has more water base. Or a balm has less water and a cream obviously has a little bit more thickness, creaminess to it. I think most creams are made with water. I think a lot of things are just made with water, overpriced. So let me go and put this just up there. Just razzle dazzle the, you know. There we go. And I found a dupe for this one if you want a darker one. It's actually a Natasha Denona Bloom. Now let's go in with the Duo Glow or the Glow Extreme. Let's do the Duo Glow. Glow Extreme. Let's do them both. Let's just go mix it together because I messed up already. That's my brow bone. How's the brow bone? To get that super dewy flashiness going on. And then just go ahead and go back in with the blush brush. Just to, yeah. Get it lively. Now going in with the Rose Fireglow with a finger and just all over that lid. Oh my word. Oh, I should buy another one of these. No, I do not need another one. Do I need another one of these quads? No. Do I have space for it? Yes, I do. And the wind is kicking back in. Oh yay. Perfect. So, oh my gosh, this, I swear this is like it's almost like a coral, but it has these pink reflex in it, almost like fireflies. Wow. Okay, Cyrus, learn your language. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a fluffy brush and just go ahead and blend it out. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And blend it into the brow bone just so it has a beautiful depth. And that is literally it. Let me go do a wing and we'll be right back. All right, so this is where we are at. This side is like completely different from this side, which I'm so annoyed about, but we'll deal with it. I mean, having hooded eyes is not the easiest, trust me. So yeah, I went ahead and used the NYX Precision Epic Link. I'm really loving this more and more, in all honesty. Ooh. some mascara. But I actually do love this combination with that, what is it called? Natasha Denona. Yeah, it's just such a beautiful, it's very warm obviously, but I mean, she's cute. Hi. But let me go and do the rest of my face, and then we'll come back to the application of this and this. So we'll see you in a moment. So this is where we are. I mean, look at that line. Oh, so bad. I miss being tan. I am losing some of my color though. This is where we are at. Oh, I just love the way this foundation sets. It's so beautiful. So, without further ado, let us go into the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. And let's do the Glow Extreme, which is going to be this one. I don't remember. Did I ever use this before? Oh, it's extreme. So, Natasha Denona, what you do to me? Take all my money. Oh, I want to buy another one of these after I go through this. Got to go through this one first. Perfect. So gorgeous. Now let me go in with the blunt from MAC. And we're going to go ahead and just put that there. You know, when I was during the winter, this was a lot more predominant compared to now. Like, this is just a whisper of a color basically. Putting that on to kind of chisel, just to bring some shape to the face. Taking care of the real estate, obviously. That's a lot of forehead. That's a lot of forehead. And I just hope I could get the right lighting to take these pictures, because the sun keeps popping in and keeps leaving and then coming back in. But yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this one. What is this? Forbidden Fleur? Forbidden Fleur. And I'm gonna take the blush brush and just dab this right on top. And this is just so beautiful. Like, if you want a whisper of a color, these balms are thebalm.com. And the thing about these balms is that obviously they're more oil based rather than not so much water based. So creams are obviously a lot more water based and it has a lot more thicker consistency. But these are actually balms, which are beautiful. And I know everybody's saying cream blushes. They're not cream blushes because these are heavily oil based, obviously. And they just remind me so much more of like the minimalist. Now we're gonna go in with the blush. Still using that because I wanna gently just apply it. Oh, that's a beautiful combination. That is just, oh, Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. If those two did a collab, oh my god, I'd be all over that. Especially with Natasha Denona's cream to blush. Cream to blush formulation with Pat McGrath's Astral Shades. Heaven is delightful. Heaven. Perfect. That is really, wow. Okay, that's a lot more pigmented than I was expecting, but we'll make do with it. Just gotta blend it all together. But yeah, I mean, this is where we are at. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my brows, which will be Benefit, and my lips, which is probably still gonna be very, very nude. Of course, the sun's coming in. So, do you hear that? That's the wind. That is what we are dealing with right now. But oh my god, that is so beautiful. Okay. All right. So I'll see you guys in a moment. So this is the final look. And I got freaking hair on my tongue. Yeah, that was That was really nice to see, isn't it? Here's the final look with Rose Fireglow with the Natasha Denona Bloom blush palette. Bloom, yeah, Bloom. This guy. This is actually really beautiful. Lips, I'm not gonna put on lip gloss today. It's still just, what number is this one? 639 Ultra Care. I don't even know if there was a name, but whatever. Just keeping it very, very subdued with the lip. Oh, I love this. I'm really digging this quad. I mean, the eyeliners are really messed up, but don't look at that for now. Brows are still Benefit, still going strong. I went ahead and set my face with the Natasha Denona's Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Foundation setting spray. Givenchy, just in the T-zone and a little bit under the eyes to give it a little bit of a demi matte look. But yeah, tutorial number 2 of the one and done focus. I mean, this is just such a beautiful shade, and with that blush palette, it is like just reckoning. I mean, should I do that? It's been a while since I've done my blush here, because no, I won't. But yeah, obviously 2 more tutorials to come, and I will be going into one and done palette focus, quad focus actually, of the Pat McGrath's Interstellar Icon, and also the Eternal Eden, which I actually still need to finish one more. But this quad Passion Fleur is beautiful. The balms mixed with the cream is actually really stunning. But yeah, I love it, loving it. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Still the 2 shades, what, 40 mixed with 50 for the foundation. And yeah, once it settles down, it's actually pretty close. So as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits of this. Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to getting more into tutorials. So see you guys next video.